Namaskar everyone. I wholeheartedly welcome you all to our YouTube channel Civil Engineering Simplified yet Detailed. This is the another video in this lecture series of Geotechnical Engineering. In this video, we will explore the different types of rocks found in India which are classified by the Geological Survey of India. This video will help the civil engineering students from geology point of view and also those candidates who are preparing for UPSC, State uh, uh, PSC or SSC or any other competitive exams. The study of the geological structure of rocks is necessary to know the history and nature of rocks because the presence of minerals and the texture of soil depend on the structures of rock. The properties of building materials such as cement, aggregate or sand are strongly influenced by the rocks from which it is produced. Rocks of different geological periods are found in different regions of the country. The rock system of India has been classified into four major divisions which are Archean rock system, Purana rock system, Dravidian rock system, Aryan rock system. These four rock systems are further sub-classified which we will study through the subsequent slides. The earth initially was a barren, rocky and hot object with a thin atmosphere of hydrogen and helium. From the origin of the earth till the present time, the earth has passed through many stages. The geological time period between the 4600 million years and the present can be understood through this geological scale. Archean rock system are considered the oldest rock system in the world. To understand the Archean rock system in depth, it has been subclassified into two parts which are Archean gneiss and schist and Dharwad rock. The Archean rocks are also called igneous rock. Archean gneiss and schist is the oldest group of rocks. In the ancient period, at the time of Earth's formation, the land was scorching, and when it gradually cooled down, the rocks of the Archean order were formed. Gneiss covered two-thirds of peninsular India. Their mineral compositions vary from granite to gabbro. Schists are mostly crystalline in nature. These rocks are spread over the region of Karnataka, Tamil Nadu, Andhra Pradesh, Madhya Pradesh, Odisha, Chota Nagpur Plateau in Jharkhand and southeastern part of the Rajasthan. The another type of Archean rock system is Dharwad rock system. The Dharwad rock system is the result of weathering of the Archean rocks, which produced sediments that form the oldest sedimentary strata. The Dharwad period of rock formation is generally considered to be between 2500 to 1800 millions years ago. These rocks are named after the Dharwad region of Karnataka where they were first studied. The rocks of the Dharwad system are also found in the area of Himalayas, Meghalaya, Aravalli and Chota Nagpur Plateau. The Dharwad rock system contains economically important minerals such as schist, slate, quartzite, granite, marble and conglomerate. It also contains ores of gold, manganese, iron, zinc, lead and silver. The Purana rock system is a group of rocks in India that was formed between 1400 and 600 million years ago. It's made up of two systems, the Kadapa system and the Vidyan system, which are mostly sedimentary in nature. The Kadapa rock system is a group of sedimentary and metamorphic rock formation that are named after the Kadapa district of Andhra Pradesh. The Kadapa rock system was formed when sedimentary rocks like clay, limestone and sandstone were deposited between two mountain ranges. The Kadapa rock system is rich in minerals such as iron ore, manganese, copper, cobalt, nickel, asbestos, shale, slate, quartzite and marble. The Vindhyan rock system is a collection of ancient sedimentary rocks that cover a large area of India, including the Vindhyan mountains, Malwa Plateau and Semari range. The estimated age of this rock is considered to be 1400 to 600 million years old. These rocks are found in Chhattisgarh, Karnataka, Andhra Pradesh, Bihar and Rajasthan. This rock contains limestone, ornamental stones, durable stones and pure glass making sand. The red sandstone from the Vindhyan system was used to build the Sachi Stup, the Red Fort and the Jama Masjid. The another rock system categorized in India is the Dravidian rock system, also known as Carboniferous rock system. This rock system formed between 600 and 300 million years ago during the Paleozoic era. The Dravidian period marked the beginning of coal formation, particularly high quality Carboniferous coal. These rocks are rich in fossils. These are mostly found in the extrapeninsular regions of the Himalayas and the Gangetic plains. The major rock of the Dravidian rock system includes shales, sandstone, clay, quartzite, slates, and the salt. The Dravidian rocks are abundant in fossils. The Aryan rock system is a rock system in India that includes rocks from the upper Carboniferous period to the present day. These rocks are found in both the Himalayan and the peninsular region of India. The Aryan rock system are further classified as Gondwana system, Deccan Trap, Tertiary system and recent formation from Quaternary period. Gondwana rock is estimated to have been formed 250 million years ago. It's made up of continental sediments that were deposited in river valleys and lake basins. The Gondwana rock system contains coal, iron ore, copper, uranium and antimony deposits. Damodar Valley in Jharkhand, Mahanadi River in Chhattisgarh and Odisha, parts of Madhya Pradesh, Godavari Valley in Telangana and the Rajmahal Hills of West Bengal are the predominant area where the Gondwana rock system is found. This rock is named after the Gond people who lives in Madhya Pradesh and Odisha. Please note, Gonds are one of the largest tribal groups in the world. The Deccan Traps are the second largest geological formation of peninsular India after the Archean rocks. They are one of the largest volcanic feature on earth. The Deccan Traps cover over 5 lakh square kilometer of the west central Indian subcontinent. These rocks are spread across regions including Maharashtra, Kutch, Saurashtra, the Malwa Plateau and the northern Karnataka. Black cotton soil, which is considered a challenge in civil engineering construction, is also a part of this rock. The Deccan Traps are the source of many valuable materials such as bauxite and semi-precious stones. The Tertiary rock system is a geological period that was part of the Cenozoic era, lasting from 66 million years ago to 2.6 million years ago. The Tertiary period is significant for a number of reasons, including formation of the Himalayas, fossil remains, and petroleum and coal deposits. Their significant locations are in India's northern plains, in Kashmir, Karevas, and the Great Plains. These are also found along the coast of Kutch, Kathiawar, Konkan, Malabar, Nilgiri, and the Eastern Ghats. The Quaternary system is a geological period that began 2.6 million years ago and continues to the present. Quaternary sediments are formed by the alteration of rocks and then by the transport and deposition of the resulting elements. These are mostly found in the plains of North India. Important deposits during this period include Karevas of Kashmir, alluvial deposits in the valley of Tapi, Godavari and Krishna, and extensive deposit of the Indo-Gangetic alluviums. Now we have reached the end of this lecture. So in this lecture, we have thoroughly discussed about the rock system of India. In the next video, we will also discuss another topic of this course. Stay tuned with us, subscribe this YouTube channel, share this video link with all your civil engineering friends. All the best. Jai Hind.